Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Hi guys, good evening everybody.
Hello, sir. I'm having doubt from yesterday.
Which topic you heard of?
NF43 posting.
Sorry,
NF-43 posting.
F-43.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. In posting ke 31 we should give our company, and in 40 what we should give, sir.
Sorry.
In posting ke 31 we should give our company name. In the posting ke 40 what we should give.
If it is your filling the debit side, you have to give 40.
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Okay.
What the account, sir? What we should give.
Oh, sorry. Not 40 you have to give. It will be 31, I think, right?
Yes, sir. In 31 I gave my company name. In 40 what I should give.
40 you have to give purchase.
Okay.
Because this is entry for purchasing, on credit purchasing this entry, right?
Yes, sir.
So you have to give purchase. Just a minute, just hold on. Yeah, tell me, Dheeraj.
Sir, the posting ke on 31 I gave my company name, and in 40 I gave purchase.
Yeah, now you do one thing, you just share your screen. I'm not getting what you're saying.
Hello. Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me, Dheeraj.
Hello.
Sorry, Vinay. Yeah, tell me, Vinay.
Vinay.
Sorry?
Tell me once again, F-43, sir. F-43. Then once again, sir.
Wait. Can you please share your screen? Okay, I will connect my screen. Okay, I will share my screen, and I will just screen this. Means I will show this once again. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So after creating the vendor, so you guys are very much familiar with this creation of vendor, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello,
Hello.
Vinay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So after creating vendor, we have for posting, we have to go to slash and s-43. Okay. So here the posting key will be automatically 31. Don't change that. Okay. First you have to give the date, then the company code. After that, currency. So the posting key is 31. Don't change it. It has to be 31 itself. Then only the we can see our vendor. Okay. Then select our vendor. I am selecting OIO. After that, press enter. Nothing to do after this. Okay, date, company code, currency. Don't change this posting key. Let it be 31 itself. Then only we can get the vendors. Okay. Then select the vendor, press enter. That's all. Is there any doubt, Vinay?
No, sir.
Okay. After that, give the amount. I am giving 5 lakh. Okay. Then give the business area. Then give the text. After that, just think the entry. What is the entry? Entry will be purchase account debtor to party name. It's OIO. So purchase account debtor to OIO. So this credit side is been finished actually. We didn't give 50 as posting key. Instead, we have given 31. Then also the credit side is finished. We have entered the account and we have given the amount, business area, everything is there. So next is debit side. Okay. So the posting key for debit is, what is the debit posting key for debit, Vinay?
40, sir.
Oh yeah. So give 40. Select it. So in debit, what account has to come?
Purchase.
Yeah. So give purchase. Select purchase. After that, press enter. So we have already given the amount. So click on star. Then give the business area. Text has also been given. So plus then press enter. Then save it. Is this the error which you get?
Sir,
Have you get this error before?
I have not yet practiced, sir.
Okay, so while getting error like this, you have to click on you. For everybody, I'm saying, while getting an error like there is no item category assigned to account, click on view details. After that, click on classify account, GL account for document split. After that, don't click this one. Even though it is yellow, don't go here. Click on activate document split. Okay, click on activate document split. After that, just disable this document split option. Okay, after that, save it. That's all you have to do. Then try to save it again. Do this, we have to do this entry once again. Vinay, do you understand now?
Yes, sir.
Is there any confusion or any doubt for you?
No, sir, no
So why don't you practice yesterday?
doubt.
Vinay,
No charge in my
sorry? Sorry, Vinay?
laptop. I have a laptop, sir.
You have no laptop?
No, sir. Yesterday, I don't know.
So before, how do you practice?
Vendor creation.
Sorry? Come again, Vinay. What?
Vendor creation.
Yeah. Before vendor creation, all the topics have you practiced or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So how do you practice that one?
After that, I am not practice entry, sir. Only entry.
Yeah. What happened? That's what I'm asking you. Why don't you practice?
In my laptop, not charging, sir.
No charging. It's not clear.
Yes,
That's
sir.
okay. Okay. So we have successfully saved the entry. Is there any doubt for anybody else or any other something like that for anybody else?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we have posted a credit purchase. Like we have bought something for credit. So we didn't pay the amount. Okay. So now we are going to pay the amount. For that particular vendor, we are going to pay the amount. Okay. After purchasing, we are going to pay the amount. For that, we have to go to slash and
Sir,
f
one
dash.
second.
Sorry.
Sir, I have small doubt, sir. Sir, in one Caritas, we can do number of vendors, or only one vendor can we do?
In one?
Caritas, Sundry Caritas.
In one sundry creditor?
With one Sundry Creditor account, we can do number of vendors or only one vendor?
You can create a number of so many numbers of vendor you can create. According to the number range which I have assigned. Okay. We have assigned number range for this vendor group, right?
Yes, sir.
So if the number range is 1 to 100, you can only post, you can only create 100 vendors. Okay.
Okay.
Like that it is. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Oh. So now we are going to pay the amount to the vendor. So for that, you have to go to slash and f dash 53. Okay. Dash 53 is the T code. After that, give the date. Company code is already there. Currency is also already there. So while paying the amount to vendor, in most of the MNC, it will be through bank. Okay, that's why they are asking bank. So we have to give our bank account here. After that, business area. Then amount. Just now we have purchased for 5 lakh, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So please respond. Okay. Then maybe it will be some interesting. If everybody is keeping silent, then it will be like. Okay, 5 lakh. After that, give text.
Item clearing for credit.
Yeah, it is don't note not the don't note it down. Just according to your wish, you can give the text. Okay. Okay. After this, so we have to give document date, company code, currency, and the payment has to be happen through bank. So assign your bank account, business area, amount. For how much amount we have done the purchase. So we are going to pay, right? So give the amount. Then you have to give the text. Then you have to give the account from the vendor. From which vendor you have bought the goods. You have to pay the amount to that particular vendor. So you have to give that particular vendor. After that, click on process open item. Okay. So while clicking on process open item, you can see amount entered 5 lakh, assigned as 5,50,000 and not assigned is 50,000. So a difference of 50,000 is here. So actually the total amount that we have to give for this particular vendor, who's it? OIO, right? For this OIO vendor, we have to give total amount of 5,50,000. But now we are giving only 5 lakh. Okay. So we can see here there are two invoices are there. First one is on 18th 5 2022 of rupees 50,000 and today 19th 5 2022 of rupees 5 lakh. So this is the amount which you are going to pay, right? So currently now both are selected. That is why it is showing 50,000 plus 5 lakh is 5,50,000, right? So I am going to deselect this 50,000. So just double click on it. Now you can see both the amount entered and assigned amount as 5 lakh. Both are same. So there is nothing in this column, not assigned. Okay. So whenever you trying to post an entry, you have to make sure that there is not it has to be 0 in this not assigned column. Okay. Then only you can save this transaction. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So after that, we can save it. So document. Sorry, who was that? Hello? Hello? Okay. So now you can
Sir,
see
in open item selection, that account purchase will come, na, sir?
sorry.
Open item selection is there, na, sir?
Open item. This one you are saying.
Down, sir. Down, sir. Not that one.
Open item selection.
That account is there, no, sir.
Yeah,
Account.
account.
The purchase will come, no, sir.
No, party.
Party name, vendor.
Yeah, because we are paying to the vendor. Just think the entry. While purchasing as a credit purchase, the entry will be purchase account after to party. Or just think purchase account after to OIO party. After that, we are going to pay to that particular party. So it will be OIO account after to bank or cash. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that same thing is happening here. Okay. So is there any doubt in this payment section?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
So now I'm going to show you the report. How to take the report for vendor. It is not the same T code. Okay. So there is just a small difference is there. Slash and FBL. Before it was FBL 3N, right? Now it is 1N. For vendor, it is 1N. Okay. For sender. Then, as usual, you have to give the company code. Click on all item. Click on this execute button. So now you can see OLO. Yesterday, we have created OLO on 18th. You can see a rupees of 20,000. For rupees of 20,000, you have done a purchase, credit purchase, and that is not yet paid. After that, see OIO. The same amount was showing there, 5,50,000. We have paid 5 lakh. First of all, we have purchased for 50,000. After that, we have purchased for 5 lakh. Then immediately we have paid rupees 5 lakh again. So this 5 lakh has been cancelled. Now only 50,000 is balance for OIU. That two account, that when these two vendors are there. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I am going to show you the continue these two things together. Okay. First I am going to create, or wait, I will start from the beginning. First I am going to create a vendor. Now this setting part, just creation. We have already done the setting parts, so it is not necessary. We are directly going to OX01. Not OX, sorry. XK01. Then company code is there. Give the account group. Then after presenter, give the title. I am giving my name itself, Godby. And country, India, region, Kerala. After that, press enter, 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 enter. Here reconciliation account you have to give. So sundry creditor, give the sort key as 012. After that, press enter. In payment terms, you have to give 0001. And in payment method, give C. Press enter, again enter, save it. So we have created the vendor. Now we are going to purchase from this particular vendor. So give the date. Company code is there, currency is there. 31 should be there itself, don't change it. Open this. So Godwin is the vendor which I have created. Select it, press enter. Amount 6 lakh I am giving. After that, business area. After that, credit purchase. Posting key will be 40. And you have to give purchase. Press enter. Star. CVC text presenter save. So now we have posted the entry for purchase. So when we look the report now, you can see in Godwin account 6 lakh is there as a liability. Credit purchase, it is in red mark. And now we are going to pay the amount. For that, F-53, give the date. Company code is this, currency is there. Give the account, bank account you need to give. Business area. Amount 6 lakh was that. After that, give text. After that, select the particular vendor which has been bought. It was Godwin. After that, click on process open item. So now you can see there is only one invoice is there of 6 lakh. So there is no need of any confusion. Okay. Before there was 2 invoices was there. Okay, that's why that what has happened. Now it is we can see amount entered and assigned amount is same. Then we can save it. And now if we go and look the report, you can see, yeah, in Godwin it is changed to green, and a 6 lakh of payment has been also there. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you just do some entries with this payment. Now itself you do just 2 entries enough. Just try to do it. Okay.
Okay.
Or wait. I will show you one more thing. Now we have done the invoice of 6 lakh. Like we have purchased for 6 lakh, one invoice is there, and we have done the payment of the 6 lakh completely. What if that if we bought something on credit of rupees 6 lakh and we are not paying that amount completely? We are paying only half of the amount, like 3 lakh only or paying. The bill is for 6 lakh and it is a credit purchase. After 1 month, we are paying it only 3 lakh. Okay, so how will we have to post it? That is what I'm going to say. Okay, so that one also you just check. So 2 topic can cover today. That is what I mean. Okay. So for that, first step, nothing is there, just 2 steps are extra. That's all. Okay. As I told you, just give a purchase. Just in create a purchase invoice. So I have given Godwin. I am purchasing from Godwin. Okay. For 9 lakh. Give the business area. After that, same step, nothing to change. In here, purchase. Give 40. Select the purchase account. Business area. Okay. Now we have posted a credit purchase entry for 9 lakh. Now we are going to pay rupees 2 lakh only. Okay. So as usual, go to F-53. give the date. Here there is no change, as same as it before. Give the bank account. So we are only giving 2 lakh. So give 2 lakh. After that, give the text. And select the vendor. Till here, everything is same. Okay. After that, click on process open item. And now you can see, I told you that we had to make this not assigned at 0. But now there is a difference of 7 lakh because the bill was for 9 lakh and we have only paying 2 lakh. So 7 lakh is there. Okay. So it has to be 0. So for that, you have to go to partial payment. Click on this partial payment if the amount is not completely paid. Okay, click on partial payment. And here you can see the net amount is the invoice amount is the means net amount. Okay, so the net amount is 9 lakh and payment amount we are only paying 2 lakh. So give 2 lakh here, press enter. So now you can see amount entered is 2 lakh, assigned amount is 2 lakh, and the not assigned is 0. After that, save it. Just a minute. Yeah, save it. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt?
No.
Okay. Now you all have to post a purchase entry, then payment entry. Like that you do 3 or 4. After that you have to do a partial payment of 3 to 5. Okay. So this 2 topic is good enough for you for today. So the vendor creation has been completely over. Okay. Understood? So tomorrow we are going to discuss advance payment for vendor. Okay. So now you practice this. Okay.
Hello,
Okay, sir.
sir.
Yeah, who's this?
This is okay, sir.
Yeah, tell me, Sokia.
Sir, can you explain the yesterday class? My health is not well, sir. That's why today I did not attend the class, sir.
I didn't get you. Can you repeat it?
Can you explain the yesterday class, sir?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Um,
Is there anybody else who won yesterday's class? I am going to take yesterday's class for Soukya. Okay, fine. So everybody just practice the topic which I have been taught you yesterday and today. Okay. At the meantime, I will give the class for Soukya. Okay. So Soukya, yesterday we have discussed how to create a vendor. Okay. So for creating vendor, there are 3 steps. First, we have to create a vendor group for our company. After that, we have to assign a number range for this vendor group, this particular vendor group which has been created. We are assigning, not creating. Okay. After that, we have to create a tolerance group for vendor and customer. Then we have to create an account as sundry creditor. Then we can create the vendors. So totally there are 5 steps. Okay. So the T code for creating vendor group is OBD3. Okay. So now we are going to create a new thing. So click on new entry. After that, give the account group. Any account group you can give. So I'm giving CVC. After that, give the meaning. Means vendor group for CVC. Okay. After that, click on company code data, account group management. There, required, and you have to make required entry for reconciliation account and suppress for cash management group. Okay. After that, you can save it. So we have already created this account group. That is why it is showing an entry already existing. No problem. You can do it. Okay. After that, we have to assign a number range for the account group. For that, go to OBAS. Okay, OBAS. Click enter. Then go to position. Give our account group. After that, for the first time, there it will be blank. This whole step has been done once. That's right. Okay. After that, you have to click on this button, and you can see here so many number ranges are there, right? So while you can select anyone, but make sure that in this ext column there should be no X or nothing should be there. Okay, this one and this one we can't select. So other than that, and make sure that just select a big series. Okay, so I'm selecting this one. This is a quite big series. So double click on it, then save it. Till here, is there any doubts, okay?
Clear, sir.
Okay. So after that, we have to create tolerance for customer and vendor. Just one tolerance is enough, that both can be used for customer and vendor. That's right. So the T code for tolerance is OBA3. So we are going to create a new new tolerance. So click on new entry, give the company code. Nothing should be given in this tolerance group. Nothing should be there. Just here you can give tolerance for customer and vendor, or vendor and customer. After that, save it. So this also has been created. That's why it is showing an error. It says saying that an entry already exists. Okay. So this also you understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt? Just say at that time itself. No problem. I will clear it at that moment. So after that, you have to create a sundry creditor account. So what is the T code for creating account? So kya? So kya?
Sir,
No. T code for creating account. We have created so many accounts, right? So what is the T code for creating account? Okay, are you there?
yeah, sir. Uh,
So you don't know?
no, sir.
Sorry?
No, sir.
Okay. If you don't know, you're free to say. Don't worry. I don't do anything. Okay. I will just repeat it. That's all. FS00 is the T code for creating accounts. Okay. So the sundry creditor, is it a liability or expense? What it is? So okay, we know that. Sundry creditor. Okay.
Sir,
What is the account group for sundry creditor?
I don't know, sir. Expenses.
Oh, fine. It is liability. Okay. So we have created sundry creditor already. So okay, I will create one more. Okay. Just click on this new create button. So it is already 2002. We have created till 2002. So give 2003. After that, press enter. Okay. So we will go to type description. In this type description, in account group, give liability. After that, this liabilities belongs to balance sheet. So click on balance sheet. In short description and long description, you give subject to. Okay.
Okay, sir.
After that, in control data, there are some difference. Okay, just note it down. In control data, usually we used to enable this balance in local currency. It is not necessary to enable this option. For okay, no need of this option. In this reconciliation account for account type, in that you have to give vendor. Okay.
Okay, sir.
After that, you have to, as usual, you have to enable this line item display. Then sort key. Usually we have to give 001. But for vendor, for this sundry creditor account, you have to give 012. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then click on create bank interest. And here, field status group has to be G067. For liability, I have told you it has to be given G001. But in liability, if it's sundry creditor, we have to give G007 as field status group. G067 as field status group. This G067 is reconciliation account. After that, we can save it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. After that, we can create the vendor. So for creating vendor, you have to go to /n xcase01 present. See, this is how it is look. So here, just company code and account group. Account group is created just a minute ago. These two things you have to fill. After that, presenter. So this is the page for creating the vendor. So in title, you have to give whether it is a company or a sole proprietorship or like that. So I'm giving company and give the vendor name. So I'm giving Soukya. Then the country. You have to give it as India. And region. Now I'm giving Kerala. After this, only these four things you have to give. Select whether it is a company or sole proprietorship. Give the name, country name, region. After that, press enter. This is the page for tax details of the company. Okay, so now it is not necessary. Press enter again. Here you have to give the bank details of the company. Okay, bank details. This is also not necessary for now. Press enter. This is the page for contact details of the person who handles that vendor company. This is also not needed. Press enter. In this page, in this reconciliation account, open this. You can see sundry creditor here. This sundry creditor showing here is the same sundry creditor which we created as in FS00. Okay. So only if we given vendor as reconciliation account at the time of creation of vendor creation sundry creditor, this thing will be showing here. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So make sure that this we have given this reconciliation account as vendor. Okay. After that, double click. Then give the sort key as 012. That is vendor numbering. Then press enter. In payment term, give 0001. So what is 0001? It is a command like payable immediately due net, which means that whenever the amount is due, we have to pay it immediately as soon as possible. We have to pay. It is a command which we are saying to the software. Okay, double click on it. Or you can type 0001 directly, that is also fine. Okay. Then in payment method, you have to give C for check. Okay. Usually most of these MNCs will be doing payment through bank. So give check. After that, press enter. Again press enter. So this box will be there. Click on yes. So the vendor was created in company code CVC. Okay. So a vendor is created successfully. Now we are going to purchase something from this particular vendor. Okay. So for that, go to F-43 /N F-43. Give the date. And the posting key is 31. It is automatically there. Don't change it. It has to be 31. Then only we can this in account. We can see our vendor. Okay. If it is 40, we can't see our vendor. Or 40 or 50, we can't see our vendor. So in open this account. So now you can see Saukya. See, double click on it. So if it is 40, it will be our GL accounts. We don't need this thing. We need our vendors. So give 31. Now you can see our vendors. So double click on Saukya, press enter, give the amount, give the business area. Then everything will be same. Just as F02, sorry, F-02. Give the text. And what is the entry for posting a credit purchase? Okay, what is the entry?
Sir?
Entry for credit purchase.
Good. F/ what? 53.
Sorry.
I think,
Journal entry for credit purchase. Sorry. Come again.
F/43, sir.
No, not the T code. I'm asking the journal entry. Journal entry for credit purchase. There should be a journal entry, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is that journal entry? Do you know or don't know? Don't waste the time. Just say if you don't know, just say don't know. No problem.
Yeah, sir. I don't know, sir.
Okay. So the journal entry is purchase account debtor to party. So here it is Saukya. So purchase account debtor to Saukya. So we have already this credit side is Saukya. So that has been finished. So now debit side should be 40, means debit. And in debit it is purchase. So give purchase. After that press enter. Give the amount. Business area. Text. Press enter. Save it. Understood?
Yes, sir.
And this payment, you know how to do it, right? Today's class.
Yes, sir.
So there is no need to repeat the class, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you also start practicing topic. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sir. Pardon, sir. Hello. 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 Pardon. Pardon. Godwin, sir.
Yeah, Anirudh, just a minute, just a minute. 1 minute. I will just in a minute. Yeah. Anirudh, tell me, Anirudh.
Sir, I got an error here, sir. When viewing.
That's not an error.
No, what is it?
That is because there should be nothing in that vendor account.
There should be nothing in vendor account.
Now there is 12, no? Just delete that 12.
This one.
Yeah, that one. Now you press on that execute button.
Just a minute. Sir. I'll do it.
And give company code. Yeah, now there you go.
Sir, just now I created one another account, so it is not showing here, sir.
Come down.
That,
Have you posted any entry in it?
yes, sir, I posted an entry. I posted purchase entry.
You have posted purchase entry.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure it has to be it has saved or not?
Okay, sir, I'll see.
Or do one thing, you just do that. You just post that entry again. Let
Okay.
me see. Let me see. Let me see. Anirudh, now you can't see because there is nothing has been posted. You have just created that vendor only, right?
Okay.
That is why it is not showing. You have to post an entry with this particular vendor. Then only you can see it in the report. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir. Sir, are you there?
Yeah, tell me, Anirudh.
Bharvin, sir.
Hello.
Sir, hello.
Yeah, tell me, Anirudh.
Hello, hello, hello.
Hello. Hello.
Sir,
Hello?
hello.
Hello.
Hello,
Hello,
hello.
Anirudh.
Sir. Sir.
Hello. Hello.
Sir.
Hearing. Actually, I was saying hello for all time.
Okay. Sir, once you see this, sir, not getting it, what to do?
Yeah, actually, you're doing partial payment, right?
Yes, sir.
So you have put an invoice for 7 lakh, right?
7,000, sir.
No, sorry, 7,000. And now you're going to pay 3,000, right?
Yes, sir.
So in payment amount, you give 3,000.
Yes, sir, I give.
It is 30,000.
Sir, 3,000. Once again, I'll give 3,000. 1, 2, 3.
Now it is 3 lakh.
Sir, how to remove this, sir?
You delete that. You just delete everything.
Abba.
No. Just you just put the cursor at the end.
Where is the end, sir?
You click on that 3 lakh.
Okay.
Backspace. Yeah. Now you type 3,000. Present. Now what did you say like this? Try to save.
Save.
It won't save, but just try it. Save.
Document is
Finish.
saved, sir. I need to check once. Sir, 3,000 is done and 4,000 is there.
Correct only, right?
Yes.
Okay. So I am going means I am leaving the class. So you just practice, and if there is any doubt, you can ask. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bye. Just a minute. So today only 6 are there.
No, sir. Somebody have exited.
Most of them are left.
Oh, okay. Fine.